Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to convert from Excel to PDF. I'll teach you in two ways. Here is our Excel file, and we will convert it to PDF. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Go to any browser, type Excel to PDF, go to the site, select your Excel file, and convert it. It's ready to download. You can find your PDF file by clicking Show in Folder. And now let's learn the second way, which is Save way. So open your Excel and go to the File menu, click Save As, this PC, and here you must choose PDF. And finally save it. I save it on desktop. And here it is. We hope you like it and share it with your friends. Comment below which way do you prefer to use, and also whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!